Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to solve a big problem. Many people ask me, how can I speak English fluently? They think they need to study for 5 hours every day. They think they need to memorize the entire dictionary. But here is the secret. You don't need to do big things. You need to do small things consistently. This is called the 1% rule. In this 20-minute lesson, I will teach you how to change your life by improving your English by just 1% every single day. If you are a beginner, this video is specifically for you. Let's start our journey. The 1% rule is simple. Instead of trying to learn everything in one day, you focus on a very small improvement. Imagine a math equation. If you get 1% better every day for 1 year, you will be 37 times better by the end of the year. But if you get 1% worse, you will go down to almost zero. English learners, 1% means learning one new phrase, listening to one English song, speaking 1 minute in front of the mirror. Don't look at the mountain. Look at your next step. To make this rule work, we focus on 3 pillars. Pillar 1, active listening, 5 minutes. Don't just listen to English. Listen actively. Pick a short video, like this one, and listen to one paragraph. Try to hear how the words connect. Pillar 2, vocabulary in context, 5 minutes. Stop learning lists of words. Learn how to use one word in a sentence. For example, don't just learn the word happy. Learn the phrase I am so happy to see you. Pillar 3, the shadowing technique, 5 minutes. This is the best way to improve pronunciation. Listen to a sentence, pause the video, and repeat it exactly like the speaker. Do this for just 5 minutes a day. Now, let's practice. I will tell you a story very slowly. Try to understand the meaning without translating it into your native language. The story. John wanted to be a chef. He did not know how to cook a big meal. On the first day, he learned how to cut an onion. On the second day, he learned how to boil an egg. Every day, he learned one small thing. After 6 months, John cooked a beautiful dinner for his family. He did not become a chef in one day. He became a chef 1% at a time. Analysis. Did you hear the words every day and small thing? Those are the keys. If you understood this story, your listening 1% is already complete for today. The biggest enemy of the 1% rule is fear. You might think, but what if I say it wrong? Listen carefully. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. When you make a mistake, you are not failing. You are learning what doesn't work. In the 1% rule, a mistake is just a data point. Correct it tomorrow. That is your 1% improvement for the next day. Before we finish this video, I want to give you a challenge. Write one English sentence in the comments below. It can be anything. Read it out loud 3 times. That's it. You have just completed your 1% for today. If you enjoyed this long-form lesson, please like the video and subscribe. Your support helps us create more lessons for you. Keep going, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.